This old guy DIY video has to do with repairing a vertical blind that has the top chunk torn out of it. So a hot chick that I know said, hey, take a look at this. This blind broke. No idea how, but it's broken. Would you fix it? So what I'm going to do today is take this piece of plastic from a clam pack on a battery tester, and I'm going to cut a piece that's the same width as from the shoulder to the top of that notch. Looks like about 3/8 of an inch. And then I'm just going to take the sewing machine and sew that piece of plastic right across the top, so I have a nice edge to support the weight. It should last forever. And the way those things look when they're hung on the window, you can't see that top edge anyway. So here we go. When I pre-fit the plastic to the vertical blind, I just lined up the straight edge from that clam pack so it would be right where that seam was previously. And then I sewed the thing on there. And now I'll take a scissors and just cut off this excess at the top edge, and it's ready for install. This is what the finished product looks like. I put a second row in there. And that little 42 you see, to hold it in position, I used a chunk of return address label. That seems to have worked out well. I have a nice straight surface here. Now I'll clip it in place. The second one from the end is the one I did the repair job on. So if you look up there, you can see it. But because of this fascia piece, when it's in location on the sliding glass door, you can't see that the repair work was ever done. So that should last 20 years. I hope this little technique helps you, and have a great day.